And the Federal Reserve is now signaling it expects to cut interest rates next year. Markets soared to an all-time high after the decision yesterday to hold interest rates. ABC Business reporter Alexis Christoforous joins me now for more on this. Alexis, how big is this announcement by the Fed?
It's pretty big, Diane, because this is what investors have been waiting to hear from the Fed. So to be clear, the Fed is not declaring victory over inflation just yet, but it is the clearest signal to date that the Fed is done raising interest rates to bring prices lower. And if inflation continues to behave and trends lower, the Fed is signaling 3 interest rate cuts in 2024. A few months ago, it was looking at maybe 1, possibly 2 interest rate cuts in 2024. This gave investors an early Christmas present. So we saw that big rally on Wall Street. The Dow Industrials crossing over 37,000 for the first time ever. And it's been a pretty good month overall for the stock market. The Dow is up 8%, and that has boosted Americans' 401k averages by nearly $9,000, so it's a pretty nice payday.
All right, so good for our 401ks. How else does this impact the average American?
You know, in short, it's just going to have borrowing costs get cheaper. So mortgage rates should come down next year if the Fed continues to do what it says it's going to do. Auto loan rates, credit card rates, which we know are at a near record high of 21%. We should see all of those things start to come down a little bit next year. Look, it's not going to happen overnight, and they won't be huge moves. I mean, we could be looking at a quarter-point drop, but it's a little bit of relief that people have been looking for, especially in the housing market, where, you know, a lot of homeowners are not putting their homes on the market because they're saying, look, why would I trade my 2-3% interest rate for a higher interest rate? I'm not saying rates are going down that low, ultra low anytime soon, but relief should be on the way if inflation continues on this path. And the other thing that might happen that normally doesn't happen in a situation like this is that soft landing, that the Fed seems to be bringing consumer prices lower and bringing the economy a little bit slower, but it's not triggering a recession, so it's giving the Fed some breathing room.
All right, great to hear it. Business reporter Alexis Christoforous with some good news today. Alexis,
love to bring you good news.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.